Yeah, Lori and Jerry, tonight here in Lancaster County, Democrats packed the house here at the Farm and Home Center. I will tell you the big highlight of the evening for most was that speech by the DNC chair. However, the real sticking point of the night was the focus on the jury retention rate, with both Democrats and Republicans urging voters to come out and cast their ballots.
This is about our democracy.
Tonight, the Home and Farm Center played host to over more than 100 Democrats preparing for Tuesday's election.
Every election is the most important election.
In attendance were House representatives and a host of Democratic candidates on the ballot, but there were also voters not seeking any sort of office, but who wanted to be there for inspiration.
We can make a difference here in Pennsylvania.
But they're not going to own the courts in Pennsylvania because of us.
The big draw, a speech from DNC Chair Ken Martin, who's been campaigning across the Commonwealth for the retention of Supreme Court Justices Kevin Doherty, David Wedge, and Christine Donahue, who was also in attendance tonight.
Everyone understands the assignment. They're rolling up their sleeves. They're talking to voters.
But Guy Shiraki feels differently.
It's time for them to go. They haven't merited 10 more years.
Shiraki, a spokesperson for the Pennsylvania GOP, feels that actually getting rid of the 3 current judges and electing new justices to the bench will not only make for a better Commonwealth, but bring about less polarization in the state.
Finding 3 attorneys, 3 judges, 3 law school professors, if you will, who would be nominated by a Democratic governor and have to be approved by a bipartisan Senate might actually lower the temperature and, frankly, increase our confidence in the judiciary.
And Democrats right now hold a 5-2 majority when it comes to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. And over the last decade, they have made a host of decisions with topics including, but not limited to, gerrymandering and redistricting, the fate of election laws, along with the pandemic. But one of the interesting things that we do want to note here is that if a majority no vote on retention for any 3 of those justices, that would result in a conventional election. Reporting live here in Lancaster County, Michael Fuller, WGAL News 8.